Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today is 27th of September 2020 and I'm Farhan Ali. So I hope you guys had a lovely weekend because we had two good news from the international front for Pakistan. One was, as you all know, it was from the UNGA address of Prime Minister Imran Khan. As expected, he touched all the major themes which were money laundering, climate change, Islamophobia and Kashmir, and he educated it perfectly. This is what we think. According to India.com, they said that it's replicated from his address back in 2019, but the international media and internally Pakistan sees it as much better and even better than the last one. He started with Islamophobia और उन्होंने हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की ज़ात को पूरी इंसानियत के लिए एक एग्जाम्पल करार दिया. He also stated that there is one country in the world who openly supports Islamophobia, and that's India. And the RSS ideology who are making life of Muslims in India are suffering. So उन्होंने world leaders को खातिब करके बोला that they should get involved in this issue to make it easy for the Muslims in India. In the later part उन्होंने ये भी बोला कि कश्मीर का जो इशू है वो लिंक है पूरे साउथ एशिया के पीस एंड ऑर्डर के सिचुएशन के साथ, बिकॉज जब तक ये रिजॉल्व नहीं होगा द ड्रीम ऑफ पीस इन साउथ एशिया एंड स्टेबिलिटी इज़ मेरे लिए ड्रीम. उन्होंने क्लाइमेट के हवाले से 10 बिलियन ट्री सुनामी प्रोजेक्ट का एग्जांपल दिया कि कैसे उनकी गवर्नमेंट जो है वो इनिशिएटिव ले रही है, और मतलब पूरे जो इंटरनेशनल मीडिया है ये बात एज अ हेडलाइनर सामने आई है. उसके बाद हम अपने सेकंड न्यूज़ की तरफ जाते हैं. द वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम हैज़ recognized Pakistan as champion for nature. It means champion for nature is a community of leaders who contend to protect environment, combat climate change, support global economic growth and save the world against any environmental degradation until 2030. इवन मतलब जो इंटरनेशनल जर्नल्स हैं और न्यूज़पेपर्स हैं उन्होंने तारीफ़ की प्राइम मिनिस्टर इमरान खान के इनिशिएटिव की, और इवन पेंडेमिक में ही कॉल्ड अपॉन द लोकल डेली वेजर्स टू come forward and earn their living up to $3 per day, and they just had to plant the saplings. So it was something, an example for the whole world to follow. With it we come to a closure, and with closure we will include one more national news which is trending right now on the social media. So before we leave you guys, let's discuss one thread that is trending on social media right now, that is of Talal Chaudhry. Talal Chaudhry is a focal person, kind of a person in Pakistan Muslim League Noon, and around 3 a.m. He goes to a female MPA's home and do something that comes under the umbrella of harassment according to the sources, and gets beaten up by her brothers. So उनका शोल्डर फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है, and he comes out and speaking to the media as he was there for Tanzeem Sazi. So when the female MPA is approached by the media, Maryam Nawaz, according to sources, Maryam Nawaz tells her that this thing has to be keep under the blanket. So Maryam Nawaz gets involved, and he tells this female MPA that keep this thing under the blanket. What's done is already done. So this was something we had having fun while we watched the social media the whole day. So with it, we leave you guys till the next episode. Take care. Allah Hafiz.